fast, dude. Ew, a lot of bubbles.
Enough, that is enough.
A lot of bubbles.
No, close your eye.
Okay, close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
So cute. I don't think you're closing your eyes, dude. What is that?
Nom nom nom.
What is that? Can you show
So
me?
funny. Can you show to me? What's
What is
this?
that?
Oh, cupcake.
Nom 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 nom. Nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Welcome to my Mac moment. Please subscribe. 3, 2.
All right, let's play.
Let's play. Open. Say. What's that?
Show me Lego train.
Yes.
Lego train.
Let's assemble the Lego train.
Say yes.
Yes.
Which one to do first?
Like this, Fergus. Yes.
Yes.
Your hands.
Yes. What are you going to do first? Can you form the red one at a time first?
Yes.
Yes. Then you can choose which one is better. Okay, okay, I'm gonna teach you what to do first. So all the yellow and green you're going to put here.
Yeah, you sort.
Okay.
You sort out
Give me
the color,
green.
different colors.
Give me the green color.
Okay, you sort it out. You separate out the different colors.
And then give me the green. Where's the green? Oh, not here. Not here. Give me the green color. Yes. What number is this?
Good job,
Good
Fergus.
job. Okay, and then what number is this? Bill. No. This one is here. Oh, this is, what is this? Okay, you don't you're not in the mood to do. Look at this, Daddy. This is the house.
Nice.
And then Fergus is going to put the baby inside. He's going to put the baby inside. So where's the baby now, Fergus? Give me the baby. Where's the baby now? Oh, this is nice. Look, Daddy. This is nice. This focus
Wow,
is so
nice.
Yes.
Baby, okay. You put it.
Okay, you put the babies
Put the babies
inside.
there.
Put the babies
Oh,
here.
inside.
Put the
Okay.
babies here. So that the baby can rest and sleep. Open the door. Here, put the baby inside. The baby is going to sleep. And then the outside. Oh, the babies are sleeping. We're going to disturb the baby. Okay. So we're going to assemble the yellow train. Oh no, yellow is done. Green. So, Daddy, just focus this on that. This is, Fergus, what is this?
Wow.
What is it? This is your favorite. Banana.
No, mommy.
And this what number? Okay, fine. Okay, I'll just keep going, Daddy. If you say no, then you should follow. So this is, what number is this? Number number 8. This is number 8. Yes. What's next? Can you give me Fergus, can you give the other colors? Where's the other colors?
What is that? Oh, it's a red blocks there. Blocks. Nice, nice. Yes.
No, green.
Green.
Green they go. Over there.
Wow, that's so nice, mommy.
Mommy, look, mommy.
What's that? Oh, that's nice. Last night you did a good job, right? To eat orange? Yes? And this is what is this? This is melon. Do you like to eat melon? Yeah, me too. This is number 1.
No.
This is number 1.
No.
Why you say no?
No.
After this, Fergus will play this one, and then Fergus will play the train.
No, mommy, no.
Just do this. Okay. I'm gonna play this one. Okay, Fergus, I think you will swap. So I'll get the yellow one.
You help mommy, Fergus. You don't like to help mommy? Yeah? Why not in the mood, Fergus?
Wow.
You help mommy to put
Daddy, do you like
get the
this?
bricks.
Mommy, no.
What's yours? Okay, fine.
You're so
Fergus,
funny.
what
boy.
happened? What happened to the boy? Where's his legs and arms and bodies? Where? Can you find that for me? Oh, I got it. It's here. Oh. I headed the boy. Yes, got face ready. Do you like this?
Wow, that's nice, mommy. Yes. Who's that guy? What's the name of this guy?
That's Fergus.
Is it Fergus?
Good guy.
Is it good guy? Is he a good guy?
Yes.
How do you know he's a good guy?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
No,
It's okay, Fergus. Whatever you want.
Yes, whatever Fergus wants is also my want.
No, mommy, it's flower.
Okay,
assemble his own. Fergus, what are you trying to build?
Just give him a chance. I know you're good, Fergus. You are good. Fergus, you're good, right? You are good, right?
What are you doing, dude? You're building a Lego train?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like a Lego train from you. It's like, I don't know what's that. Are you sure that's the Lego train? Yes. Nice.
Fergus, do you need this?
What is that? It's a red block. It's a big red block.
Yeah, that's yours. It's fine. Wow, I like my train. There you go. This is the train. Okay, you put the driver. Where to put the driver?
Put the driver on the top here, the front, on the front.
Here, put the driver.
Put the driver
You need
here.
help? You want me to help you? Okay, I'll help you.
There you
Okay,
go.
this is the driver. What's his name?
He's the good
His
guy.
name is Fergus. The
Fergus,
captain.
the captain, the good guy.
Good guy. Look at that.
There you go, Fergus.
That's
Good guy.
Fergus.
The good guy train.
That's a good guy. Oh my god, you're stealing things from me again. Oh my god. What did you do to my... What did you do this? Daddy's stealing things from me again.
It's okay, mommy.
Oh, what's this? Can you show to Daddy?
Wow, what is that?
It's a building.
Whoa, whoa!
Oh.
Get up, get up. Put it up, mommy.
Okay. Okay. Wow, look at this, Daddy.
Wow, what is
Fergus
this?
so good.
It's a tower?
Yes, it's a tower. You like that? Then can you put the train underneath? Yeah, where to put the purple? On top of the red? And then I thought on top of the red.
What is that? It's a dog.
That's the dog.
It's a dog. Hi, dog.
Yes. Say hi to the dog. Hi to the dog. The dog's going to...
What is that?
Huh?
Buildings?
Buildings.
Building. Oh, building.
Oh my god. This one can put here. Cannot. Put here. Okay, you put there. Put
Nice.
properly. Oh, it's big. Cannot fit because it's blocking here. Oh, can. Yeah, put on the other side. Good job, Fergus. You're so... Oh my god! What is happening here? It's
Oh.
okay, Mom. Fergus can fix it back. So where where to put that? Can you put it here?
Yes.
Go, Fergus. Go, Fergus. Blue.
Orange,
And
green, and blue.
good job. Learning
Very
colors.
good, Fergus.
I think you can put here also. What color is that?
Green.
Green. And what else? What else do you have? Green.
Another green.
Another green.
Next
Next building. Okay, can you play? You ready? Choo choo choo. Choo choo choo. Okay. Choo choo choo. Choo choo choo.
That was ready. Inside the box.
Okay, wait. I'll take the video first. Wow, this is awesome, Fergus. Did you do all this? Yes? This is the dog.
There you go there.
Look at the sky there.
What?
What happened to the sky?
Ah!